Hello dear students, myself CMA Padmaja Buzruk. I will discuss partnership accounts. Go to study note number 6, partnership accounts. I will be discussing conversion or sale of partnership firm to a company. For various reasons, an existing partnership may sell its entire business to an existing joint stock company. It is a case of absorption of partnership firm by joint stock company. It can also convert itself into joint stock company. It is a case of flotation of new company to take over the business of partnership. In either of the above cases, the existing partnership firm is dissolved and all the books of accounts are closed. The procedure of liquidation of partnership business is same as amalgamation of partnership. Some important points. The purchase consideration is satisfied by the company either in the form of cash or shares or debentures or combination of two or more of these. The shares may be equity or preference shares. The shares may be issued at par or at a premium or at a discount. For the partnership, the issue price is relevant, which may form a part of purchase consideration. In the absence of any agreement, share received from purchasing company should be distributed among the partners in the same ratio as profit or loss are shared. That is, shares received from purchasing company are to be transferred to partners in their profit sharing ratio in the absence of any agreement. Accounting entries in the books of selling firm for transferring different assets to realization account debit to sundry assets. Assets are transferred to realization account at their book value, that is balance sheet value. For transferring different liabilities to realization account, liabilities account debit to realization account, liabilities transferred to realization account at their book value, that is balance sheet value. For purchase consideration due, purchasing company account debit to realization account, purchase consideration due from new company. For assets taken over by proprietor, capital account debit to realization account, asset taken over by the proprietor. For realization of assets not taken over by the company, that is the assets which are not taken over by the company, if they are sold, bank account debit to realization account, realization of assets not taken over by the new company. For recording unrecorded assets, assets account debit to capital account, unrecorded assets recorded. For realization of unrecorded assets, bank account debit to assets. For payment of liabilities not taken over, realization account debit to bank, payment of liabilities not taken over by new firm. For recording unrecorded liabilities, capital account debit to liabilities being unrecorded liabilities recorded. For payment of unrecorded liabilities, liabilities account debit to bank, payment of unrecorded liabilities. If unrecorded liabilities are taken over by the company, it is also transferred to realization account along with other liabilities. For liabilities taken over by proprietor, realization account debit to capital account being liabilities assumed by proprietor. These entries we have already seen in case of amalgamation. For realization expenses, realization account debit to bank, realization expenses paid. For profit on realization, realization account debit to capital account, profit on realization transferred to capital account. For loss on realization, capital account debit to realization account, loss on realization transferred to capital account. For accumulated profits or reserves, reserves account debit, profit and loss account debit to capital account, undrawn profits transferred to capital account. For loss, reverse entry is to be passed. For transferring partners current account, if current account is having credit balance to capital accounts, partners current account debit to partners capital account. If there is a debit balance in current account, reverse entry shall be recorded. For settlement of purchase consideration by the company, shares in purchasing company account debit, debentures in purchasing company account debit, cash account debit to purchasing company account. For final adjustment, Partners capital account debit to shares in purchasing company account to debentures in purchasing company account to cash account. Now we'll see accounting entries in the books of purchasing company. The purchasing company will record all the assets and liabilities at agreed values. Calculation of goodwill and capital reserves is same as explained earlier. For assets and liabilities taken over, when net assets taken over is less than purchase consideration, assets account debit agreed value, goodwill account debit balancing figure, to liabilities agreed value to new firm account purchase consideration being assets and liabilities taken over. When net assets taken over is more than purchase consideration, assets account debit agreed value to liabilities agreed value to firm account purchase consideration to capital reserve balancing figure being different assets and liabilities taken over. For discharge of purchase consideration, firm account debit, that is new firm account debit, to share capital, face value of shares issued, to securities premium account if any, to debentures account, to bank account. In this particular video, we have seen conversion of partnership form. We have seen journal entries in the books of selling firm as well as journal entries in the books of purchasing firm. Thank you.